welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you don't know me, my name is Aishwarya, and today I'm going to show you how to reuse your leftover candle or empty candles in two ways. The first one is a wax melt, and the other one is to convert the leftover candles into a brand new candle. To see how I did this, please keep on watching. Take your empty candles. So these are 3 empty candles which I have right now. All you have to do is boil some water and add it into this candles and let it sit until all the wax is collected on top of the jar. When it starts to melt and collect on top of the jar, this is how it looks. So don't panic. So it will harden up once the water gets cold. So this is how it will look once all the wax is hardened. So now it's time to unmold this wax from the jar. So if it is a little bit harder, take your knife and scrape it around the jar and it'll come off easily. So in this first jar I was actually struggling, so that's the method I chose. So this is how it should look. It'll come off easily once the wax is hardened. Do the same thing with the other 2 jars as well. So this is how the wax look, and dry it off completely before doing anything. So once everything is dry, this is how it will look. Now remove the gunks which are visible. So at this point I'm just breaking the wax into smaller pieces. You can also use molds here. So for that you have to melt the wax and put it in a mold, but I am not a wax melt person. So what I did here is I just cut the wax as it is, and I will be reusing the same wax for candle making. So this is just a demo. So once you cut all the pieces, put into a box and start using it. To make a brand new candle, I'm using the same wax which I showed before in the wax melt, and I'm using this cup to melt the wax. So I am using the double boiler method, but you can also melt your wax in microwave. I was not sure, so I just use the double boiler method. So, and also I realized that the cup I was using was not, like, heat safe, so I just transferred it to a stainless steel container and kept it to melt. So I did not have wick, which you can buy from Michael's or any craft store. So I made this using the normal cotton ball, if that makes any sense. And also I'm using this old candle container, which I really adore. So I'm using this as my candle mold. I'm using this wooden skewer to hold the wick in the center. Once the wax is solidified, this is how it will look. Cut off the excess wick and voila, your brand new candle is ready to burn. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of content. So this will be very useful if you burn a lot of candles. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, you guys have a great day. Bye.